898 species in genus Habenaria. My fascination with the Habenaria genus. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the unique and diverse beauty of the Habenaria genus from the Orchidaceae family. These terrestrial orchids, commonly known as rain orchids or bog orchids, are a testament to nature's artistry, showcasing an incredible array of forms and colors. From the delicate, fringed petals of Habenaria radiata to the bizarre, insect-like appearance of Habenaria medusa, each species has its own captivating charm. My journey into the world of Habenaria began with a chance encounter at a local orchid show. Nestled among the more familiar Phalaenopsis and Cattleya orchids, a small, unassuming plant with intricate, green flowers caught my eye. It was Habenaria repens, a species native to Florida, and I was immediately captivated by its delicate beauty. This encounter sparked a deep curiosity within me, leading me down a path of discovery and appreciation for this fascinating genus. Diversity and distribution. One of the most remarkable aspects of Habenaria is its sheer diversity. With over 800 species distributed across the globe, excluding Antarctica, these orchids have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to temperate grasslands. This adaptability is reflected in their morphology, with species exhibiting a variety of growth habits, leaf shapes, and floral structures. In Asia, where I currently reside, Habenaria is well represented, with numerous species found in countries like India, China, and Japan. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Unique floral structures. The flowers of Habenaria are a marvel of evolutionary design, often exhibiting intricate structures that serve to attract specific pollinators. Many species have evolved long, nectar-filled spurs, which are particularly attractive to moths with long proboscises. Others, like Habenaria radiata, have developed elaborate petal shapes that mimic the appearance of insects, luring unsuspecting pollinators in search of a mate. This coevolution between Habenaria and its pollinators is a testament to the intricate relationships that exist within ecosystems. The orchids rely on their pollinators for reproduction, while the pollinators, in turn, benefit from the nectar or pollen provided by the flowers. This delicate balance highlights the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Conservation challenges. Despite their widespread distribution, many Habenaria species are facing increasing threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and overcollection. As human activities continue to encroach upon natural habitats, these orchids are losing their homes, making them vulnerable to extinction. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these remarkable plants. Protecting existing habitats, propagating endangered species, and raising awareness about the importance of orchid conservation are all vital steps in safeguarding the future of Habenaria. My personal connection. My fascination with Habenaria goes beyond mere admiration for their beauty. These orchids represent resilience, adaptability, and the intricate beauty of the natural world. They remind me of the importance of preserving biodiversity and the interconnectedness of all living things. As I continue to explore the world of Habenaria, I am constantly amazed by their diversity and the intricate stories they tell. Each new encounter is a learning experience, deepening my appreciation for these remarkable plants. I believe that by sharing my passion for Habenaria, I can inspire others to appreciate the beauty and importance of orchids and contribute to their conservation. These orchids are not just beautiful flowers. They are a vital part of our planet's natural heritage, and it is our responsibility to protect them for future generations to enjoy.